Hello children, welcome back to my channel. Now I am dealing with 10th class maths, mensuration. In that I am doing 10.2 exercise. Exercise 10.2, 3 sums I have already done. Now fourth sum. Let us see what is the fourth sum. The fourth sum says two cubes each of volume 64 centimeter cube are joined end to end. Find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. Two cubes of volume 64 square centimeters. This is first cube, this is second cube. These two are joined end to end. So you are getting it in the form of cuboid. Now the question is, what is the surface area of this cuboid? So what did they give? Volume of cube is equal to 64 cubic centimeters. Volume of cube formula, a cube is equal to 64. So what is a? Cubed root of 64. That means cubed root of 4 into 4 into 4. 4 4 are 16, 16 4 are 64. So it is 4. Therefore, A is equal to 4 centimeters. Now, after getting this value of A as 4 centimeters, now let us see children. This is, let us see, after joining you are getting cuboid. So for this cuboid, length is nothing but this is 4 centimeters, this is 4 centimeters. 4 plus 4, 8 centimeters. Now breadth is how much? 4 centimeters only because it is a cube. Breadth is 4 centimeters and height is also 4 centimeters. So what is surface? The question is find surface area. CSA. We will call it as lateral surface area. LSA. Lateral. This is actually surface, total surface area only. We have to take total surface area is 2 into LH plus BH plus LB. So 2 into L is 8 into H is 4 plus B is 4 into H is 4 plus L is 8 into B is 4. That is 2 into 32 plus 16 plus 32. 2 into, say 8, 10, 4, 5, 8, 80. 160. Therefore, surface area of cuboid is equal to 160 square centimeters. This is the answer for this fourth one, children. Please note it down. Now, fifth problem, children. A storage tank consists of a storage tank consists of. This is the problem, children. So, let me talk about this problem. A storage tank consists of a circular cylinder with a hemisphere struck on either ends. There is a circular cylinder. This is a circular cylinder with hemispheres struck on either sides. So it is like this. Hemispheres struck on either sides. Okay. If the external diameter of the cylinder to be 1.4, this diameter, 1.4 meters, diameter is equal to 1.4 meters, length is 8 meters. 8 meters is length of the cylindrical portion. Okay. Then find the cost of painting it on outside at the rate of 20 rupees per square meter. So, cost of painting you need to find out. Cost of painting is nothing but area to be painted Cost of painting is how much they have given. First, let me write cost of painting. First, I'll write this. Cost of painting is equal to rupees 20 per square meter. Now, what is the area of painting? Area of painting is nothing but a curved surface area of cylinder plus twice CSA of hemispheres. This is the formula. So what is CSA of cylinder? 2 pi r h plus 2 into CSA of hemisphere 2 pi r square. So in these two, 2 pi r is common into h plus, see 2 pi 1 r has gone, another r is there, h 2 r. So in this case, height is 8, diameter is 1.4 meters, means radius is 0.7 meters. So this is 2 into 22 by 7 into how much radius? 0.7 into h8 plus 2 into 0.7. 7 1 the 0.1. So you are getting 2 into 22, 44 into 0.1 means 4.4 into 8 plus 1.4. So how much it is? 4.4 into 8 plus 1.4 is 9.4. So let me take 9.4 into 4.4. 4 4s are 16, 36, 1, 37, 6, 7, 3. So 6, 13, 11, 4. 41.36 square meters is the total area that has to be painted. So cost of painting is rupees 20 per square meters. So what is the total cost? Total cost is 41.36 into 20. 0, 2 6 are 12, 2 3 are 6 1 7, 2 1 are 2, 2 4 are 8. So total cost is rupees 827.20. 827 rupees 20 paisa is the answer, children. This is fifth sum. Children, please note it down. Now, sixth problem, children. What does the sixth problem says? A sphere and a cylinder and a cone have same radius and same height. Have same radius and same height. So find the ratio of their volumes. Find the ratio of their volumes. This is the question, children. So there is a sphere and a cylinder a sphere and a cylinder and a cone. Both of all the three are having same radius. And actually this is height and this is height of this, and this is height. All of them are having same radius, same uh, height. So actually children, height is nothing but diameter for this sphere. If height is diameter, that is 2r. In the place of height, you can write them as 2r. So the ratios of the volumes. So volume of sphere is to volume of cylinder is to volume of cone. This sphere volume is 4 by 3 pi r cube is the formula. Cylinder volume is pi r square h. Cone volume is 1/3 pi r square h. Now here in the place of h I am taking 2r. So 4 by 3 pi r cube is to pi r square into 2r is to 1/3 pi r square into 2r. So let me continue it here. This means 4 by 3 pi r cube is to, this is 2 pi r cube. 2 pi r square into r is r cube. 1/3 into 2, that is 2 by 3 pi r cube. This is 2 by 3 pi r cube. So pi r cubes will get cancelled. You are getting 4 by 3 is to 2 is to 2 by 3. So let me multiply. On multiplying each term by 3, so that this denominator 3 can be cancelled. 4 by 3 into 3 is to 2 into 3 is to 2 by 3 into 3. These 3's will get cancelled. I am getting 4 is to 6 is to 2. This can also be simplified. 2 2's are 4, 2 3's are 6, 2 1's are 2. So 2 is to 3 is to 1 is the answer. The ratio of their volumes are 2 is to 3 is to 1 is the answer, children. It's a very simple one. Only this clause, if you know, you can do this very well. Note it down. This is sixth one. Now seventh problem, children. A hemisphere is cut out from one face of a cubical wooden block such that the diameter of the hemisphere is equal to the side of the cube. Determine the total surface area of the remaining solid. So there is a cube. So this is a cube, and in this, what did they do? A hemisphere is cut off. It is like this. This part is removed. When this is removed, what is the remaining portion? What is the question? Equal side of the cube. The hemisphere is cut off from one face of the cubical wooden block such that the diameter of the hemisphere is equal to the side of the cube. So this diameter is nothing but side of the cube, that is A. Now the question is determine the total surface area of the remaining solid. So TSA of remaining solid. This is nothing but TSA of cube plus CSA of hemisphere minus area of base of hemisphere. Why is it like this? Because this top portion is not there, only the bottom portion is there. So the area of the base of the hemisphere. So in this case, TSA of cube is 6a square plus CSA of hemisphere 2 pi r square minus area of base is pi r square. Base is in the form of a circle. That is 6a square plus pi r square. Now in this case, children, what did they say? The diameter of the hemisphere is the side of the cube. D is equal to A they have given. That means what is the radius? A by 2. Therefore, what is the TSA of the remaining solid is equal to 6a square plus pi r square means a by 2 whole square. That is equal to 6a square plus a square by 4 into pi. So in these two, a square is common. A into 6 plus pi by 4. This can be considered as the answer. This many square units will be the answer for this problem, children. Please note it down. This is 7th problem. Now, 8th sum, children. 8th sum is a wooden article. Let me read this sum. A wooden article was made by scooping out a hemisphere from each end of the solid cylinder as shown in the figure. See, this is a cylinder. They have scooped out, means they have removed like this. They have cut out hemispheres on top and bottom. If the height of the cylinder is 10 centimeters and its radius is 3.5 centimeters, height is 10 centimeters and radius is 3.5 centimeters. Now the question is, find the total surface area of article. TSA of the article. TSA of the article is nothing but 2 times of CSA of hemisphere, because there are 2 hemispheres, plus CSA of cylinder. So this is 2 into CSA of hemisphere 2 pi r square plus cylinder 2 pi r h. That is, in this I can take out 2 pi r as common. Then this 1 r and 2 will be left over. 2r plus 2 pi r is out plus h. That is 2 into 22 by 7 into radius is 3.5 into 2 into 3.5 plus height is 10. So 7 ones are 7, 0.5. That is 0.5 into 2 is 1. 0.5 2s are 10 and before 0 we'll keep point. So this is 1. 1 into 22 into this is 7. 3.5 into 2 is 7 plus 10. So this means you are getting 22 into 17. 22 into 10 plus 7 plus 10 is 17. 17 2s are 34. 34 3 37. Therefore, TSA of the article is equal to 374 square centimeters. This is the answer, children, for 8th problem. Please note it down. So with this, I am going to conclude today's part. In the next class, I will be doing the next.